Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been here before. Today's video is me attempting, keyword there, attempting to recreate this Toy Story look, which was done by Rishni, and they were inspired by Mirax Glam or Mira X Glam. I'll put both of their links down below for you guys. This is the look that I'm trying to recreate. I think that I did not too bad. It was a very difficult look to do. It took me about 4 hours and I kind of just want to wash my face and crawl into bed now. So yeah, was it worth it? I don't know, you tell me. Anyway, it is a very cool look and I'm loving the cow print at the moment. It is quite big. You've seen Kylie Jenner and Khloe Kardashian wear the cow print swimsuits, so this is very on trend. I probably will find another way to incorporate the cow print into another look, something maybe a little bit more wearable. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so brows are done, eyelids are primed with concealer, and I've got my trusty tape next to my eye to be my template, and I'm going to start with the blue sky. So I'm taking blue shade here from my Lime Crime Venus 2 palette, and I'm using this as my transition shade for my blue. And I've just got this on a fluffy blending brush, obviously. Now I'm just going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this bright blue shade here, and I'm just going to use that to brighten up the blue a little bit and blend it out. Okay, so I've got the blue done now. I'm going to wait until I do the clouds and cut the crease first. So I'm going to be taking my Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 0, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease in a winged shape. Now I've got the crease carved out nice and sharply, I'm going to take a brown colour. So I'm actually going to be taking my NYX Highlight and Contour palette, and I'm just going to take this shade here, which I think is called Hollow, just because that is my most true brown kind of shade. And I'm going to be putting it on the small eyeshadow brush and using this to create a brown line at the edge of the cut crease. Because I wasn't able to get the brown looking nice and sharp and precise, I'm going to take my Dipbrow pomade, and this is in chocolate, and I'm just going to take it on a small liner brush and just kind of use that to outline the edge and make it a little bit sharper. Now I'm just going to go back in with my Louise base and my concealer brush and carve out my crease again and make the brown line a little bit thinner and tidier and get a nice white base for my cow print. Because the base isn't quite white and there's still some colour peeking through, I'm just going to set the base with some translucent powder, and then I'm going to just go back over it with the same product. this time I'm going to be setting it with a white eyeshadow. So I'm taking, I'm not sure how you say it, I think it's Tako or Tako by Superbrow. It's just a matte white and a tiny eyeshadow brush. Okay, now I'm just going to catch up on my other eye and I'll be back. Now I'm going to draw on a thick winged liner, and I'm going to do this using my NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner, and this is in the shade Vivid Halo. I don't have a red liner to do the checkers in the liner. I'm going to be using my red lipstick, which is this Retro Matte Lipwear by MAC in the shade Feels So Grand, and I'm just popping that on the small eyeliner brush and using that to do the checkered line things in the liner. Whew, just as hard. I'm just going to clean this up with the yellow eyeliner before I do the other lines. Okay, so I've got the liner done, and now I'm going to move on to the cow print. So I'm going to be taking my waterproof cream colour by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Jet, and I'm putting that on a little eyeliner brush and just trying to draw on some cow shapes. I don't really know how to do this. I'm just going to kind of look at a picture for reference, I think. I've gone and done the rest of my face, and I've also applied the red lipstick as an eyeliner to my waterline, and the only reason I did that before doing my foundation and that was because I just wanted to wash the brush so that I could use it for the white. So you don't have to do that before your foundation, but I did. Yeah, so next step is I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line, taking this red eyeshadow from Sugar Pills, so this is called Love Plus, and this angled eyeshadow brush, and just putting this underneath my eye. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to be doing before I put my lashes on is I'm taking my Kat Von D Superbrow, and this is in the shade Whiteout, taking one of my small eyeliner brushes, and I'm going to use this to tidy up the cow print because as you can see it's very smudged. And then what I'm going to do is, as soon as I finish tidying up the white, as soon as I finish that, I'm going to chuck on my lashes straight away because as you can see it smudges really quickly. And I want to be able to get back in time to take a really good photo. So yeah, and let's get into it. I'm really excited. It's almost complete. I forgot to put mascara on, so I'm doing that now quickly. Bloody hell. Okay, I completely forgot. I need to do the clouds first. So I'm going to be taking the small flat concealer brush and just dabbing that on to create some cloud shapes in this blue sky area. Okay, so here we have the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos. I'm quite happy with the way this look turned out, although I definitely could have done better. Don't think I would recommend anyone to do this look, to be honest. It took me like 4 hours and I can't even wear it out of the house because it smudges whenever my eyes open, because I've got hooded eyes, so everything smudges when I use my eyes. So yeah, I mean, it was very cool to do for a photo shoot or something like that, but definitely would not recommend spending 4 hours of your time doing this makeup to wear out, because you're just going to be disappointed. Anyway, how do you guys think I did? I think I did not too bad. It was a very, very difficult look, and I'm a huge fan of the cow print as well. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.